The three axes of the poultry industry are bird, nutrition, and management and hygiene. Raw materials account for more than 75% to 80% of feed costs. And with the integration of the global economy, raw material prices mainly depend on supply and demand, so there is greater uncertainty. So what's some other ways to optimize feed costs? Professor Khaled Nasr from Cairo University explains.
My lecture titled Impact of Feed Efficiency Optimization on Broiler Performance. I am Khaled Nasr, a professor and the head of nutrition and the clinical nutrition department, faculty of veterinary medicine, Cairo University. As we know, the poultry industry globally or in Egypt depend on three main axes. The first important one is a chick reared for meat production, which is a broiler chicken, or layered for egg production, table egg production, or breeders, either broiler breeders or layer breeders for, in the end, to take broiler chicks or layer flock for table egg production, and GP grandparents. This is the first main axis. The second essential and the most cost expensive, which is the feeds, which is called nutrition and the feeding of the chicks. Nowadays, globally, not in our country, nutrition represents more than 70 or 85% of the cost of the poultry industry. Why? Because only the energy and the major nutrients represents only more than 70% of the poultry feed industry. So we have many solutions for cost reduction in poultry feeds without affecting the poultry performance. The among of these solutions is maximize or optimization of nutrient utilization or feed efficiency optimization, which is the title of my lecture today. So for reduction of the feed cost or feed cost optimization, we have many solutions. Among of these solutions, to search for local and conventional feed raw materials for poultry. But we must consider two important things. First of all, the availability of these unconventional feed raw materials available for poultry. The second is the cost must be these unconventional feed raw material cost effective than the corn and the soya. But please don't forget to keep in your mind only reduction of the feed cost, but also maximize the poultry performance. So we have cost reduction solutions, we have energy saving solutions, we have production optimizations, and the consumption reduction are the permanent objectives or the permanent aims of feed producers.
Professor Khaled Nasr talked about several directions to optimize feed cost. So what aspects should be considered to reduce the feed cost in Egypt? What unconventional feed ingredients deserve attention? Stay tuned for our next video.